Hello everyone, Angela here, and today we will explore how to get comfortable with different accents and dialects to boost your listening skills. Now, in the listening exam, you will hear a mix of different accents, and even if this can be a bit tricky, with these tips you will be ready to understand them all. The first tip that I've got for you today is again diverse listening. The more accents you hear, the better. So you can tune into BBC World, for example, and a personal favorite of mine, the TED Talks, TED Talks on YouTube, for example, for a variety of English accents like British, American, Australian, and Indian. Tip number 2 is again to listen to real life materials. That can be kind of like podcasts or interviews, documentaries, or again these TED Talks that are perfect for training your ears. Listen to people from all over the world and get used to their accents slightly. You can, for example, pay special attention about how they pronounce the words and about the melody of the whole speech. And once again, don't try to understand every word. It doesn't really matter if an accent is tough. Don't try to understand each one of the words, but just to get the general gist of everything. So little by little, you will see that you get more and more of the message. Number 4, practice makes perfect. You can find a tricky bit of speech and you can play it over and over. Try even to say that yourself. So this is a bit like theater time. This mimicry is going to help you to get the hang on the accent's unique sounds and rhythm. Number 5 is, of course, patient and being consistent. So learning to understand different accents is a journey. Set small and regular goals, like listening to the BBC World, like 5 minutes per day, or to one TED Talk every 2 days, for example. And again, these TED Talks, they don't only display a variety of accents and dialects, but they also have a huge variety of themes and topics. So you will find something that you're interested in for sure. So in conclusion, with all these methods, you will grow more confident and adaptable in understanding various accents and dialects. Remember that it's all about practicing regularly. Once again, one of my favorite tricks, the one that I personally try to do every day, is to have the BBC World in the background, as a background noise, or when I'm doing the house chores or something like that. So it really helped me a lot. That was all. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any comments or anything, just drop a comment below. Have a nice evening and happy learning.